Last week we announced the formation and the launch of Vaccinations, a new company to progress the nanopatch towards the clinic, indeed through the clinic, and also as a product. And we announced the $15 million of investment to make that happen. The nanopatch to the naked eye looks a bit like a nicotine patch, but totally different in the way it works. It's an alternative to the needle and syringe. Most vaccines are delivered that way, but the needle and syringe puts vaccine into muscle that has very few immune cells. In contrast, what the nanopatch does is it places vaccine directly to where we believe it needs to go, which is our immune sweet spot within the skin. And the way we go about that is with a dense array of projections that are invisible to the human eye. We dry coat vaccine to those projections, and then we apply the patch to the skin to breach that tough outer layer and place the vaccine directly to where we believe, and in fact our data shows, it needs to go. It's a way of making vaccines work better with a smaller dose, or indeed using the same dose and making its immune response greater. But also, because the vaccine's in dry form, we don't need to refrigerate it, and that's a huge advantage as well. Vaccinations is about progressing the nanopatch to man and proving it as a commercial product. And Vaccinations is funded by a consortium of investors that are based primarily here within Australia, led by One Ventures and Healthcare Ventures abroad. So with the $15 million, with Vaccinations we'll do two things. The first is proving the nanopatch in human clinical trials for the first time, delivering a vaccine. And the second is pushing along the nanopatch as a medical device product and developing that and showing and demonstrating that it can be made in large numbers at low cost. It's hugely exciting. As inventors and people that have been chained to the technology from the very beginning, it's a tremendous experience. But beyond that, I mean, what it does mean is it provides a line of sight, a pipeline to actually take it from where it is right now, which is proven in the animal model in a university research lab, to progress it along the commercial pathway, so that in time, where we intend to be is to roll it out as a product in large numbers and actually make a difference to quite a lot of people in terms of improved vaccination.